guys, it's Riley from Science Girl. I am back officially, and today we are going to be making bendy bones. So for this, you're going to need chicken bones. For this, I chose 3 regular bones that you can always find, and then a piece of the spinal column. That I have not found to be done yet, so I'm super excited to see what will happen. You also need at least 1 jar and some vinegar. It can be really any sort of vinegar. But let's get to it. So for this, first you need to rinse off your bones, get rid of all the meat. And as you can see, I've already done that. So we're going to continue to the next part. We're going to open up a jar, place in 2 of the bones, or 1 of the bones, or however many you would like to put in. Then we're going to, with the help of a parent, of course, if you're on the younger side, pour some vinegar in. There should be enough to cover the bones. There. And we're going to continue to do this for each one. But before we move on to that, in these bones, there's a mineral that occurs naturally called calcium. It allows the bones to be hard, allows them to not be bendy, to not break. This is in your bones too, which is why it's good to drink milk, because without it, your bones, there's nothing left to keep them hard, which is what we're doing in this experiment. The vinegar should help remove all of the calcium from it, therefore they'll be bendy with nothing left to keep them hard. So I'm going to finish doing these, and then we're going to let them set for 3 days, 3 or 4, depending on how long you'd like to wait. It's your choice, but at least 3. I'll see you guys then. Hey everyone, so we're back. So we let these sit for 3 days. I pulled them out, started recording, and they weren't really bendy, like just a little bit on the ends, so I decided we're gonna wait for a week. So I let go for 4 more days, and now we're here. So I would recommend wearing a pair of gloves unless you want to smell like vinegar, but that's just my personal preference. If you don't care, go for it. Alrighty, so we're gonna pull out these little guys first. Oh God, how to get you out. There. Okay, and we're just going to come over here onto the plate. Still not much of a difference from... I mean, it's bendy on the sides. That's able to be seen, but not too much of a difference from day 3. So let's check the others. Here, little buddy. Oh, this one feels rubbery. Oh yeah, this one did well. Almost able to be bent in half, when before you couldn't even bend the sides. So definitely worked with this bone, not as well with that one. Now the one I'm really excited to see. Let's see if we can grab you without going over. There you go. Okay, let's see what happened. Oh wow, this thing is just bending all over the place. Then again, it was mainly cartilage to start with, so yeah, it's just like there's nothing holding it there. So I found this pretty neat because the calcium, when it's removed, it affects the bones in different ways. As you can see, for this one, didn't really affect it that much. I mean, just a little bit on the ends, but for some reason, not here. Not sure why? Who knows? Try it with your experiment, see if you can figure out why. If you can, leave it down in the comments. For these 2, it worked really well, especially for this one. For some reason, this one is just able to be bent pretty much all over, and this one can almost be bent in half. It's really neat to see what happens if you don't drink milk and keep your calcium up in your bones. For instance, if you're lactose intolerant, there are calcium supplements to make sure that this kind of thing doesn't happen. But while you will have a calcium deficiency, it won't be to this level. So don't worry if you are lactose intolerant or just decide not to drink milk. It only makes your bones a little weaker, not crazy, don't worry. But yeah, this is a fun experiment to try for yourself, especially right now with household objects such as cups, gloves, bones, easy stuff, especially right now. Just stay safe, you guys, okay? Wash your hands, do what you can, wear a mask, follow the rules, stay 6 feet apart. Just stay safe. Okay, if you try this, please leave it down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys want me to do next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. But for now, this is Science Girl.